Ever wondered how animals went from single cells to, well, sloths that sleep 20 hours a day? Let's rewind 600 million years ago. Earth was basically soup. No Wi-Fi, no pizza, just squishy blobs floating around.
I'm just vibing.
Then boom, multicellular life shows up. Like first came the weird sea creatures, like the Anomalocaris. Picture a shrimp with nightmares. Fast forward, animals crawl onto land like, yo, what's this dry stuff?
Dry air, no thanks.
Then dinosaurs happen. Enough said. Millions of years later, monkeys, humans, and your pet chihuahua that thinks it's a lion. So, yeah, from goo to zoo, nature's been winging it the whole time, and honestly, nailed it. Fun fact, humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. Go explain that to your dog, like share, and follow for more wild history in 60 seconds.